Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Let's say you're having a bad day and you're driving around in your Chevrolet Silverado and you just need to laugh. Well, your Silverado can help you out with that. Here's how. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the snowman that got upset when the sun came out? He had a total meltdown.
That joke had the perfect ending to it, didn't it? So, if you wanted to know how to have your Silverado make you laugh, well, now you know. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. I'll see you in the next video.